Welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to review top 2 best drawing tablets for beginners. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our first product is Wacom Intuos Graphics Drawing Tablet. Graphic drawing tablet with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, gives you control and precision when drawing, painting and photo editing in nearly any software program. Compatibility: Mac, OS X 10.10 and above, PC, Windows 7 and above, Chromebook, devices running the latest Chrome OS, and Android smartphones/tablets, OS version 6.0 or later, easy plug-in via USB-A, some devices require USB-C or OTG adapters. Small compact size, 7.8 x 6.3, with large active area, 6.0 x 3.7, is perfect for limited desktop areas and can be set up for both left and right-handed use. 4 customizable express keys that put your favorite shortcuts like undo or copy/paste at your fingertips when used with your Mac/PC. Creative software: register your Intuos on your Mac/PC to receive Clip Studio Paint Pro, 2 years, Boris FX Optics, 12 months, and try out Corel Painter Essentials 8 and Corel Aftershot Pro 3 for 90 days. Our second product is One by Wacom Small Graphics Drawing Tablet 6 by 3.7 inches. Learn from anywhere. Collaborative digital learning and enhancing creative education is easy with the One by Wacom. It's simple to use and set up, so you can get started on your next project. Create from anywhere. One by Wacom helps your art projects come to life by perfectly matching your movement with its advanced electromagnetic pen technology, giving you excellent control and accuracy. Natural pen experience: the included ergonomic 2048 pressure-sensitive battery-free pen is responsive and easy to control, giving you the familiar pen-on-paper feel that you are used to. Take inspiration to a new level. One by Wacom is a versatile choice for students, artists, and educators with its portability and compatibility.